Yeah, I think this is one of the calmest evenings we've had here. It's been pretty windy last couple days. Just very calm and peaceful right now. It's like a stormtrooper motorcycle.
Yeah, it really is.
Well, that goes pretty quick. Well, Jack seemed to think there was a some sort of dam somewhere. So we're gonna go try to check out this dam. I have no idea what it's all about, what it's called. See when we get there. This is so fun. Whoa, soft spot. Woo. Well, another beautiful day in paradise. Feels good to be alive today. I'm just feeling super grateful. Grateful for my freedom here to be able to do what I'm doing. It really is amazing. This bike is just made for this type of stuff. It's awesome. Man, that little moped amazes me. That's just a little 50cc that Jack's on there. It's called a Tomos. I think they're from Slovenia or something is where they make those. It's the beauty of these bikes. They're so low to the ground that even in that soft stuff, your center of gravity is so low, you can just hang your feet out, pretty much power through anything. Well, that's kind of fun.
That's a workout.
Wow, look at this. This is beautiful. Looks like we're coming up on the dam here. Wow, this rock is fantastic. I got Jack getting burly. Wow, this must be a hydroelectric dam. Man, this is such cool country out here. It's like a little community park. I wonder if these are like camp spots. These must be maintenance workers, hosts, park hosts. Yeah. A nice little playground for the kids, picnic area. Beautiful. Right next to a big hydroelectric dam. Kind of a weird attraction at a park. Pretty cool, man. Little park at the dam.
Yeah.
Looks like there's one on the other side too.
Oh yeah. Nicer.
Yep. That was a freaking blast, man.
Yeah.
Dude, I want to ride one of these across the country.
That'd be the shit.
All right, we made it down to Davis Dam. That was a totally fun ride. It's actually a neat little park. Looks like a little kind of community park or, you know, day park. Nice big grassy area. check out if they got restrooms here. That would be nice. Jack's looking to fill up some water, so pretty cool. Oh, this has been a good little day adventure for us. Check this out. This is awesome. I can't believe they put a road down in here. Man, if you could camp down here at the end, that'd be awesome. It's got to be something. It says 14-day limit. Yeah, that I would not make through in my van on the way up. Well, I guess if you just really punched it and blasted through it, technically, it'd be an adventure for sure. It is kind of an advantage of having a little bike like this. Could totally go scout out, really be sure if I could get the van down here. And already, I don't think I would. There's just a couple spots that are so soft. But if you had a four-wheel drive truck camper or something, you could make this. I feel like I'm in another country or something. Oh, look at this. Is this the lake? Whoa, it's a camp. No way. Oh, I gotta see if there's water here. I don't want to intrude on these guys' privacy, but... Whoa, what? It's like a private little lakefront camp. Oh, I gotta drop a GPS pin here. This is sweet. Wow. Alright, I don't want to disturb these guys. It looks like they're not here, but... Are you kidding me? This is awesome. Gotta get a picture with my phone. That is a special one. Little secret spot. How cool is that? Wow. Let's pick up that bottle. I got a little basket on the back. You can see that. Look, we're doing good, guys. We're picking up trash. This is such a cool spot. I'm loving this cove. Yeah, buddy. That was a good ride, man.
That was awesome.
This place is freaking awesome.
Yeah, that thing owns it out here, man. Way to go.
Well, we had a pretty epic ride. Dude, that was fun, man. First group ride.
Yeah. I gotta get one of these now.
Jack just test rode my bike. I've ridden his moped. These little Tomos are surprisingly powerful. I couldn't believe what you were doing, man.
Yeah, I shouldn't have been doing it, but I did it.
That's awesome. Cool. Well, time to just kick back. That was fun. All right, it is lunchtime. We got some pasta cooked up there, doing up some sweet Italian sausage, and I'm going to use this pesto and sun-dried tomato sauce. Looks delicious. Well, there it is, guys. We got pasta with that pesto and sun-dried tomato sauce, some sweet Italian sausage. Let's give it a try. I think I did it this time, guys. Probably just because I'm so hungry after that long bike ride, but this is tasting good right now. Dang. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really cool running into Jack and Sinead from YouTube channel Wandering Patches. If you're interested in what they're up to, I'll leave a link for their YouTube channel in the video description. Otherwise, I hope everyone's doing good out there. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.